In this video, we learn how to pass data between activities. First, we pass a string and an int. Next, we pass an object. And at last, we pass an array of objects. Begin by creating a new project and name it pass data between activities. Go to our layout file and change container to a linear layout. Set orientation to be vertical. Create a button. Set its text, for example, pass data, and set its ID. We want when user clicks on this button, pass some data to a new activity. Go to our main activity. First, get a reference of our button. Next, set a onClick listener for our button. We have to create an intent, but first we create our new activity, empty activity, and set its name to a new activity. Come back to our main activity, create a new intent, and pass main activity.sys and new activity.class to it. Use intent.put extra and pass a key, for example, a string extra, and or a string we want to pass, for example, a loser. And use intent.put extra. We want to pass an integer as well and set its key, for example, int extra, and its value, for example, 20. And use a start activity and pass intent. Next, go to new activity, and we want to get our extras and show them. First, we have to check if there is an extra available. Use getIntent.hasExtra and pass a key that a string extra. Next, if there is an extra, we want to get it and store it in a string extra variable that we created of type string. We use getIntent.getExtras.getString and pass our key. And we use a toast to show this string. Just copy and paste this code. Instead of string extra, we use int extra for our key, and instead of getString, we use getInt. Name it int extra and change its type to int. Because it is an integer, we have to cast it to a string before show it in toast. So we use a string that's value of int extra. Now run the app. This is our button, and when user clicks on it, go to new activity and show our string extra and int extra. Next, we want to pass an object to our new activity. First, create a new class and name it a student. A student have two property. First, name of type string, and second, a student number of type int. Press Alt and Insert buttons and choose Getter and Setters. Press Alt and Insert and choose Constructor, an empty constructor, and Alt Insert, another constructor. Go to our main activity, comment these two lines, create an object of type student, set its name and a student number, and use intent.putExtra. Set a key, for example, a student extra, and pass a student. But this is an error. To fix this error, we have, or a student class have to implement serializable class. So we do that. Now go to our new activity, and we want to get this extra. First, comment these lines, and we use our student extra key, and we want to get a student, change its name to a student extra, and instead of this line of code, get extra.getInt, we have to use a method get serializable extra and pass our key, and this returns serializable, which we have to convert it to cast it to a student, and use a student extra.get name and .get a student number to show our student properties. Now run the app. This is our button, and when user clicks on it, go to new activity, and our object sent to this activity. Next, we want to pass an array of objects to our new activity. First, we have to create an array list of type students, name it students, and pass 3 students, add 3 students to our array list. Change their name and student number. Now we have to cast these students to a serializable. Now we go to new activity class, and instead of a student, we want to get an array list of a student. So change it. And we just want to show second student properties. So get student extra.get one, .get name, and .get student number. Run the app. When user clicks on this, an array list will pass to our new activity. Thank you for watching.